If you have been waiting for an iPhone that finally treats on-device AI and sustained performance as first-class features, not just marketing talk, the iPhone 17 Pro is the turning point. This phone isn't just fast, it's built to stay fast. Apple announced the iPhone 17 family on September 9, 2025, at its awe-dropping event. The lineup includes the iPhone 17, the ultra-thin iPhone Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. But the spotlight belongs to the Pro models because Apple has made three major shifts. A19 Pro chip, an architecture built for AI. Vapor chamber cooling, for sustained thermal stability. Apple N1 wireless chip, the beginning of full connectivity autonomy. And with iOS 26, you now get AppleIntelligence, turning your iPhone into a true pocket AI machine. Who it's for this phone is for those who push their devices to the limit. Creators and videographers who shoot HDR footage or long takes without thermal throttling. Mobile gamers who demand consistent frame rates in AAA titles. Power users who run summarization, transcription, and AI tasks locally and privately. Photographers who will love the new 8x telephoto, reaching 200mm with optical quality. If your daily use is casual, the standard iPhone 17 or Air will give you nearly the same everyday performance for less. A19 Pro, the new brain. The A19 Pro features a 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU, but its real magic lies in AI matrix acceleration. It's designed to run on-device text summarization, voice transcription, and image tasks, without internet and without per-inference fees. So, the iPhone is now not only fast, it's smart and private. And thanks to the new vapor chamber, the phone keeps that speed even during long gaming, editing, or exporting sessions, with far less heat throttling, memory and AI bandwidth. Apple doesn't publish RAM numbers, but the 17 Pro's memory and GPU bandwidth are clearly tuned for AI and creative workloads. You can handle large edits, multi-layer renders, and AI sessions simultaneously, with no lag. Display and design. There's a slight reduction in the dynamic island size, but the real upgrades lie inside. The Super Retina XDR ProMotion display still delivers stunning brightness and clarity outdoors. Apple has replaced last year's titanium frame with an aluminum unibody. Why? Because aluminum conducts heat better. That means improved sustained performance, even if it sacrifices a bit of that premium titanium feel. Camera system. A serious leap. Apple's unified 48MP philosophy continues, but this year, the Pro telephoto system gets a major upgrade. The new 48MP tetraprism telephoto offers 4x optical, 100mm, and 8x optical quality zoom, 200mm. This is the biggest telephoto jump ever on iPhone, finally competing with Android flagships. You'll notice sharper low-light detail, more accurate color, cleaner portraits from a distance, from concert stages to wildlife shots. This zoom finally gives you professional reach. Video and thermal synergy for creators. The biggest win is heat control. The new cooling system means longer 4K or HDR recordings without the screen dimming or frame rates dropping. Paired with the A19 Pro's GPU power, your edits, renders, and exports finish faster and more efficiently. Apple N1, a new wireless era. For the first time, Apple built its own iPhone-class wireless chip, the N1. It supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread for smart home and device-to-device connections. The goals: lower latency, better power efficiency, and tighter ecosystem control. Features like AirDrop and CarPlay now feel snappier and more stable. Early buyers did report Wi-Fi drops, but Apple fixed those quickly with iOS 26.0. 1. First-gen chips always have small teething issues. But now Apple controls the entire wireless stack for faster long-term improvements. Battery and charging speed hasn't changed much, but thermal efficiency has. Because the phone throttles less, it finishes heavy tasks faster, spending more time in energy-saving states. So while the battery capacity may be similar, real-world life actually improves during gaming or AI workloads. AppleIntelligence and iOS 26. With iOS 26, AppleIntelligence becomes part of the system, not a plugin. You'll see smarter writing tools, contextual suggestions, and live translation built right in. Even more importantly, third-party developers can now tap into Apple's Foundation Models API, bringing on-device AI to your favorite apps with zero latency and maximum privacy. This means the real AI revolution will unfold over the next year, as apps start using local models instead of cloud ones. Unique selling points: on-device AI at scale. Apple opens its local LLMs to every app. Sustained performance, vapor chamber, plus aluminum cooling for long sessions. 8x optical zoom, the most capable telephoto in iPhone history. Connectivity autonomy. N1 chip marks Apple's next strategic era. Pros: excellent sustained performance for gaming, editing, and AI tasks. The best-ever iPhone telephoto system with 8x optical reach. Private, fast, and developer-friendly on-device AI. Future-proof wireless standards. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, Thread. Cons: early N1 firmware bugs required a quick software fix. Aluminum feels less luxury than titanium. Overkill for casual users who won't push AI or graphics. Market position and demand component costs have risen. New camera stack, in-house wireless, and AI hardware. But aluminum helps balance production expenses. The 17 Pro is clearly targeted at creators, gamers, and AI power users. Businesses and enterprise buyers will also appreciate local AI processing for sensitive data, reducing dependence on the cloud. Expect strong developer adoption around the Foundation Models framework, which will keep the 17 Pro relevant beyond its first sales wave. Should you buy it? Yes, if you're a creator, gamer, or power user who needs sustained performance, serious camera reach, and private AI. For the first time, Apple's hardware and software are aligned for those tasks. Maybe if you're a casual user. The iPhone 17 or Air deliver 90% of the experience at a lower price, including AppleIntelligence features. Buying tips update immediately to iOS 26.0.1 for wireless stability. For heavy photography or long recording sessions, the Pro Max's larger thermal envelope performs even better. Keep an eye on third-party apps that adopt AppleIntelligence APIs. They'll unlock the phone's real potential over time. The iPhone 17 Pro is Apple's most platform-driven iPhone in years, a device where power, intelligence, and thermal control finally meet. It's more than a speed bump. It's a paradigm shift. AI now lives in your pocket. 8x zoom extends your vision, and the vapor chamber keeps your creativity cool. If you're serious about creating, gaming, or running AI on the go, this is the upgrade that makes sense. If this deep dive helped you decide, like the video, subscribe for more pro-level tech breakdowns, and tell me in the comments, which test should I run next? Battery drain under gaming, 8x telephoto comparisons, or on-device AI workflows? I'll line them up for you.